Hello, Beez Bladers. Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. Today I've got the Eafengrow Ef966. This is going to be a shorter video because I don't know how long my voice is going to last today. I'm a little under the weather. But this is the Ef966. There's a couple different versions. You can get the black or the OD green, and it is the crossbar lock, the Axis style lock. And I've had this for about, I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks now. I'm going to tell you all about it, tell you what I think about it. These run about 27 bucks on Amazon, and look at there, it's still centered, and we'll see if the edge is still good. I haven't done a lot of cutting, just a couple pieces of cardboard, mainly just opening packages, things like that. It has a nice clean look. It has a reversible pocket clip. See, they're heading in the right direction. Their own designs. Yeah, every design that comes out today by any knife maker is going to look similar to another one, but it's not a clone. It's their own design, which I appreciate that. And I really like the deep carry. And even though it's not a big knife, it only weighs 3.38 ounces, so it's nice and light. It's a good work knife. Like I've told you many times, when you have a little bit right here, it's easy to get in and out of the pocket. And then especially having this Axis style or lock bar style blade lock, it's easier to get in and out of the pocket and not have to fool with it. Let me give you a look at this micarta. And I know I should probably sound funny. I sound like I'm talking through my nose, but I wanted to get you guys some knife content and share this one with you. It does have a nice textile feel. It's around a 5, 5.5 on the old giggity scale. I can't laugh or I'll cough. You ready to see this blade? Pow! Right in the kisser. What do you think about that? I think it's a pretty cool looking knife. I really like it. It's very comfortable. The action works superb. It has great jimping. Check out that jimp. I mean, whoo, it will grab your finger. It doesn't matter where my thumb ends. And we'll talk about the ergos here in just a second. But my thumb will not move. It locks your finger into place. It has really nice looking thumb studs. The thumb studs are very comfortable. And there's your lock bar right there. You can see how it works. And it clips into space. It doesn't click in the hardest, but it is solid. There's no blade play. There's no lock rock. It's solid left and right, up and down. So we're good on that. And there's your tip. It has a very strong tip. The blade length's 3.18 inches with a sharpened blade length of 3.13 inches. Your blade width's 0.90 inches. It's 132 thousandths of an inch and then 24 thousandths of an inch behind the edge. So it is definitely not a thin knife that's going to break easy. It is a sturdier, like more of a work knife. Your close length's 4.33 inches. Your handle width's 1 inch. And then your close width's 1.13. Your handle thickness is 0.54 inches. You have a crossbar and then thumb studs for opening. And it's a reversible clip. I really like that. It's the Ef966. And they run about 27 bucks. This pocket clip works very well. It holds your pocket. It's not one that will fall out. It keeps a nice snap on your pocket. So you're good there. So let's go ahead and do some quick size comparisons. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I know I'm having a good day, all things considered. It'll only get better. Here's the Spyderco Tenacious and the Petrified Fish Zero for sizes. And let's put a couple more up here. You know, we got to put a QSP Penguin. Now, see, now you can see it's that EDC, everyday carry, everyday pocket knife. You know, that EDC that you can grab and always have in your pocket. And then here's the KIZER Assassin. So if a lot of folks have the Assassin or the QSP Penguin, this gives you a good idea. It's right there in that medium range, and I'll put 2 more up. How about the Civivi Elementum? A little bit of Elementum action. And then last but not least, the Kubi Royal. So what do you think, huh? Well, how's that for an EDC knife for $27? All right, let's check out the fun stuff. The action and the ergos. Speaking of action, a call to action. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you like regular content of knives and EDC gear, this is definitely the place to be. And it's usually a little more lively, as you can attest if you're a Beez Blader. But this is all I can give you at the moment. All right, so here is your deployment. It is so easy to deploy. You can use, take it out of your pocket, open it up, make your cut, flip it back in your pocket. That's what it's all about. One-handed operation. You can reverse flick it. You can flick it with your thumb. You can also, you don't need to use both fingers for this crossbar. You can use just one. You can use just your thumb, and you can also just use your index finger. So it's easy to use, has a good lockup. It's comfortable in the left and right hand, and it is an ambidextrous, a completely ambidextrous knife, because you can move this pocket clip to this side. So you're good to go, righties and lefties. As far as hot spots, there are no hot spots. This right here I would call a warm spot because it does kind of stick up a little high. I wouldn't mind if it was a little lower profile. I don't mind when the bill sticks up a little bit to make sure and grab my pants. But this does come out a little bit far, and I know that there are other, you can get secondary market clips that you can change that with. But I can feel it, but it doesn't get in my way, and it's not a concern. I like that you do have plenty of room to sharpen right here, but it is comfortable. It's easy to cut with. It's easy to hold. The grip is very nice, however you want to grip it, if you want to open a bag of mulch. But this is a great, some of us call a beater knife, a knife for under 30 bucks that you can carry every day and you're not worried about what happens to it. You can throw it in the tackle box, throw it in the toolbox, have it in your pocket every day. It's a great EDC knife. I don't have much to complain about as far as the price and the materials and the micarta. It's a good looking knife. I really like it. I think it's a great deal. I'm curious what you all think about it. I know you all enjoy the budget pocket knives just as much as I do. I'd like to talk about this one a little bit more, but my voice is just about gone. So make sure that you go watch the video that YouTube suggests right up here. And then until I see you again or talk to you in the chats or the live streams, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.